Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change pointer color in the full keyboard access on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, swipe down, tap on keyboards, then go to full keyboard access, and the least option is going to be color. So just tap on that, and here you can choose the color of your pointer in the full keyboard access. So just by tapping next to the color, once you have it means that this color is set. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!